just warming up.
All right.
Yeah. Get him, Matto.
Really?
Look at that.
More left.
Not Susan.
Not bad.
Oh my God!
Not bad.
I'm going left.
But everybody's going left. Everybody's going left.
Yeah.
But at least you hit it.
Dang. Oh. I had a draw on that and everything.
At least you didn't lose your ball.
Made a lot of noise.
We all lost ours.
There's proof right there. There's proof right there.
Steve?
Okay. Why don't those... It's better. We're getting better.
Hey.
We're getting closer. No pressure, Mike.
I've never swung a club that way. That is so weird.
I'm sure that
But this is good for my.
Wow. Whoa.
Come on, Green Vineyard. Yodi! Just straight up.
Atta baby. Way to clutch up. That's all right. No looky. And then the guys behind. This is going to be a rototilled field by the time you get done. All right, I like that. That's fun though.
Watch the ball, man.
Yeah, sure. That was tough. Are you sure? Is this the left hand?
Woo!
Oh.
Hey, not bad.
I can find the ball.
I'm pretty happy with that, I'll be honest with you. Yeah.
That's what we can play at the winery and just have it on the loop.
There you go.
Good. Mine is good on video.
Where did that guy?
Oh, wow.
See?
Look at that. Okay.
There you go.
Hey, that's not bad. All right. You went that way into the grapes.
Hey, that was practice. Yeah. You guys, it's all the angles all wrong. What'd you do? Hit normally?
I switched my hands.
You did? And I went
Very
Really?
Yeah.
Snob. Snobby. Like, I can do this.
I'm glad you got we tried round.
Use the force.
I already did. There you go. Not bad. Where'd it go?
I think it went.
It went.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Wow.
Ah!
Got it up there.
There's something wrong with that ball, Bruce.
Oh, good. Oh, but you lost another ball. Ball number 7.
That wasn't bad.
Russ, that's not possible.
Yeah, the only one that could do that, Russ, is David Copperfield. Head down on the ball. That was beautiful.
There you go. You stayed on the green.
Oh, we wouldn't do that.
You like that?
Nice practice.
That's right.
That was practice.
Of course it is.
You like that?
Okay, there you go.
Practice.
Just like that.
Another practice. Stay down on it.
Let's screw it. One hand.
There you go. That's the way to do it, dude. One-handed.
Yeah. God damn it! We're gonna play this game.
Pick it up and throw it. There you
I'm
go.
done.
Yeah.
I hit it about to the lady's cheek.
That'd be really good. You made it on the green.
Come on, girls.
You missed.
I gotta try this again.
Okay, well. Okay. Oh, shoot.
You're farther than Ken. That's what I did.
Same thing I did. Go again. We all. All right.
Holy cow, he hit them all. Oh, that's
Jim,
it.
maybe you
Come
can do a
on,
little
Jim.
better.
Wow. Okay, nice quiz.
They love good practice.
Yeah, you didn't kill me. All right, I got it. Run.
Woo!
That would have been fun.
There you go.
Never saw it.
Wait a minute, can you use the cart path? Well, I may.
Perfect. Oh, come on.
Well, I guess we all done.